I got everything I wanted. The reason I gave you that build is because of what an improbable combination it seemed like to me, and you're so creative, I knew that you were gonna come up with something.
Okay, have you seen fresh cut grass around?
You motherfucker. Hey! Letters!
Butters.
He's a robot. And as he wheels into the room, well, smiley day there. Ashton, how you doing? How was your stasis? I've been sort of waiting here on standby, waiting for your designation. Are you almost ready to go?
The stasis was short. Protein is incoming. Protein is incoming, right?
Protein is ready.